What's up, guys? Welcome to Rolling Gypsies Garage. Thank you for tuning in with me. We're doing the 2011 Camaro's rear brakes. On this one, you can see the pads are pretty shot. We went ahead and got the rears, $45. Just the pads and the difference in those pads. Yeah. Went to the Riley's and got some brake fluid as well. Alright, guys. So you're going to need what I got here, 14 millimeter. And I'm going to take the top and the bottom one off and get these pads off. Alright, just a second. Okay, I got the caliper setting up there. This is what this side looks like. That's the pad. Thank God the rotors are still good. Here's our new ones. Old, new. Alright guys, this is the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and get these back together. I'm going to show you here in a minute what I'm going to do with that caliper right there. Alright, hold on. Okay guys, for these pads, just so you know, for the new ones on these ones that I got, the brake best at O'Reilly's, this clip is going on the bottom. So it'd be like this in the back. Just like that. Alright, so this clip goes on the bottom. The front one doesn't have one. That's the same thing. The curve right there is going inside. Okay guys, you can see I'm using this C-clamp here. Use the old brake pad. Just push it on back in. Alright. Take it off. I'm going to put it back on these pads. Top bolt. Bottom bolt. Alright. This side's done. I'm going to go ahead and put the wheel back on. You can see I'm using a scissor lift jack. I'm also using this 3-ton jack, just as precaution. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wheel back on so we can go to the other side, and then we're gonna bleed them all the way around. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're on the driver's side now. So yeah, you want to put your jack. Right there's a spot in the back by the wheel there. Like I said, there's only a few points, like 6 points on this car. So we're gonna go ahead, finish getting this off, loosen these lugs up, break them actually, and then get this in the air and take the rest of them, the rest of the brake pads off. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna do the back. I'm sorry. Go ahead and get that off there now. It's pretty simple, so. Alright. Before, now. And remember, so now for the nut to bleed the brakes, you're going to need this 10 millimeter wrench, and then pump it a few times on each side. Here she is, 2011 Camaro. Got the O2 sensors done, all 4 of them. Sometime you guys will get to see me finish this. Got all the back brakes done. All 4 pads on. Bled twice. The whole car got bled. She's running great. Just topped her off on some oil, so. Alright guys.